Hey everybody, it's Mark with G's Bees, and I am going to try to do a video putting a package in at the pumpkin patch. So let's see how this is going to work. Hopefully we got it right. So we got a package of bees right here. Got a toothpick. These are the JZBZ kind of queen cages. So it's got a little cap like that. We'll make sure we take the cap off. With this kind here, I like to run a toothpick through it, make sure we don't skewer her. You can put it right between the frames. I'm just gonna put it right there, but I don't do anything fancy here. I just kind of dump them in. These bee buses are always kind of hard to get into, which is a good thing. That means they don't get out of them. So you can just pop them open like this. Some people spray sugar water on them, some people don't. Today I don't have any, so I'm just gonna give them a little shake like that. And I always put the front right here so they will walk right in. I put my frames right back in here. I'm gonna move my queen over kind of to the center. Just like that. Get everything lined up. Got a bad frame in it. We'll take care of that. I'm using the Ceracell feeders, so I will put my inner cover in. I like to use the introducers. Put it like this. Put my feeder on, pop open the top. There we go. That's how fast you put a package in.